What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with the 6th Streets YouTube channel. If you're new, hope you subscribe, enjoy the video. Otherwise, those of you who have been here most likely know about the Supra being down for a good minute now, and that is actually what has contributed to the silence on the channel for a good minute, alongside a lot of personal life things that have had to take priority as of late. Now, we are getting way closer to bringing it back. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. That's what this whole video is going to be all about. But real quick, I just want to share some of the memories that I've made with this car. And looking back, it's not only memories, but great people I've met who have become closer friends, and some who are even helping get that car to the next stage of where it needs to be now. And I'm very thankful for that. Now, without further ado, here's a lot of the great memories we made before our next chapter. Safe to say, that was a lot of beatdown on the engine throughout its life, plus a few mechanical problems we had in its lifespan. Here we are with the new engine. This is a 0-mile 2JZGTE OEM block. We're talking pistons, rods, crank, everything installed. And then all you need for this is your accessories, you know, your oil pump, water pump, all your other stuff. But this is about as good as it gets before you get into built motor territory and without the margin for error of a machine shop with a built motor.
Yeah, and guys, that's all you're gonna see, Brian.
And unfortunately, while this was supposed to be a DIY project, that is exactly all you were gonna see. This video you're looking at here pretty much explains why that was the case. As you see, the engine bay is a total mess, and this thing needed a little bit of extra show car treatment. While I was more interested in doing more so a driver's car, not something that pretty, it didn't really have to be that way. This thing definitely needed a makeover. So, it was that, plus some extra resto mod things like AC that needed to be taken care of, that just became a little bit too much to handle. Add those extra layers of the project, plus work life and everything, it just became way too much to handle. So, it was time to clean the bay up as much as possible, pull the block, and then let my dogs at Big Boy Performance handle the rest. I took my engine block and the cylinder head, they're going to see picture with the Ferrea valve train, over there so they can get a head start on assembling the engine. And now, the real fun begins.
Not making it, Kev.
Alright, that's pretty good.
I never even showed my engine. I never even showed the engine for the channel. So we got a black and gold combo coming out. Black on the intake manifold, gold covers. We got a gold compressor housing that isn't here. We got some stuff that's still polished, but for the most part, this is a new theme right here. Give me a 0 roll.
If we undo these, truthfully, you can flip the hood up north like I do on mine. Kevin, that engine bay is unreal.
I know. Never in my life did I think I'd actually get it to that point.
Like
Double.
pretty much make it into like a ball.
Like a ball.
3-4 times.
Okay, so 1, 4.
Watch out for the other Supra.
I think we might need to roll the car a little.
Okay. There we go.
Let's make quick work.
Yes, sir.
Brand new bunghole.
Yes, sir.
That's me playing like a shit.
Okay, I think we still need to go more towards Kevin.
Yeah, definitely.
So Kevin, or
Pull.
yeah, pull.
Watch out for the back.
The back is fine.
Yeah, we got clearance.
We're still gonna have to push the engine back.
Yeah.
I'm holding it by where the starter is. Gives me leverage. All right, all right.
Mine's in.
In.
Okay. That was it. One last thing. Red line 2.
I hate that thing, but it does the job right now.
It's almost ready to fire up.
Yes, sir.
There it is. Turbo loose, everything started up.
Yep. It doesn't need oil, water, any of that, right?
Or back.
No intake manifold. Man, well, day one, I guess, wrapped up.
There's a lot of space.
Yeah.
All around those. Once the downpipe and all that, intake manifold is going to be
Yeah.
high speed, but honestly, this is much better with a painter.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. I don't have my camera stuff, so I'm just filming a quick update right now on my phone while I can. So let's show you what's up. I got the car right here. Wait, there we go. Motor's in right now. And we've been working on wrapping up a few things. We got our clutch master in here. Brake master is in, the clevis is in, so we have a functioning brake pedal. Right now, you notice this hole we have a brand new wiper motor. We had to take the linkage off the old one because this doesn't come with that linkage. It only comes with a nut for you to put that on, that arm from the old motor. But we had to use some heat to get it off, so I can't come anywhere near that and put that on yet. I'm giving it a little bit of time to cool down. But yeah, the motor's all buttoned up. We just gotta get the fuel system buttoned up. I gotta run some brake lines, wires also. Gotta run them to where they originally came from. I have videos saved to figure that out. We gotta finish up AC, reconnect lines, add a new dryer in here. We gotta do the evaporator in there once we clean up more of this mess because the car is just full of parts right now. Way too many parts. So that stuff will wait, but you know, the car is coming along pretty nicely. We also have our compressor housing on the way for us to get it welded. We had a little bit of an issue with the last one, so we're gonna weld an elbow on this one, then get it powder coated. And yeah, that's where we're at with the build right now. All right, so we got our wiper motor in, tucked away all the other wires are in the cluster here. There's still power going to them. So we're not cutting anything off. So engine bay is closer to fully put together. So that was it as far as engine work. But this that you're looking at right here hints something much bigger that was coming to the car. and is currently in the works, but we'll save that for a different video. For now, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.